Hi everyone, once again a new day, a new topic, and as this is the week for AI and I am doing some sorts of video related to AI. So this time I am getting accompanied by my 8-year-old son Rishit. Hey Rishit, say everyone to.
Hi.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how AI is changing each and everyone's, including 8 years old son, how we are going to interact with AI through something which is called a prompt engineering. Yes, whenever we are dealing with any of the large language model, like let's say for example ChatGPT or let's say for example Gemini or Copilot, so we have to do a very proper prompting also. So that always think it in this way that you are sitting in front of a very intelligent person, and the way how exactly you are going to ask the question, the large language model is going to give you the answer appropriately. So, to make this particular one a kind of fun event, me and Rishit will do a kind of quiz. And now, because Rishit is very much interested related to the state capital of India, the different types of countries and their capital. So what exactly we are going to do? We are going to create a kind of quiz along with one of the large language model like this time, because becoming a vendor agnostic, I'm not going to do along with Copilot because it can very well can be done with Microsoft Copilot, but this time I'm trying to go with Google Gemini. So we will be using Google Gemini, and Google Gemini will be our quiz master, and Gemini will play a quiz with Rishit. And you can also do the same with your kid or whatever the area on which you are getting fascinated, and you will see that how exactly kids could also able to get benefited out of it. So without wasting any time, Rishit, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So let me go ahead and open my mobile, go to an app which is Google Gemini. So, hi Gemini, how are you doing today?
Doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?
Oh, yeah, I'm also doing good. Thank you.
It's great to hear. So, what brings you here today?
I'm recording a video with my son whose name is Rishit, and today we are going to play a small quiz because I'm going to make a kind of a week which is for the AI learning for others. Will you join with me?
Sounds like a fun and educational project. I'd be happy to help out. What kind of quiz questions do you have in mind?
Super. So let's take it into this way. Rishit, who is 8 year old, so he is very much interested about all the different country and their capital. Even because we are Indian, so he is very much fascinated about the Indian states and their capital. So you act as a quiz master, and you would be asking the question to Rishit, where you would be asking one question about a state. Rishit has to answer its capital. If he answers it correctly, then you can go to the next question. If he
Happy to
answers
be a
it
quiz
wrongly,
master.
then
Let's
you could.
start with Rishit.
Yeah.
Rishit, what is the capital of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
Gemini, he told Chennai. And what exactly you have to do? Once this question get completed, you have to go to the next questions. Okay?
Absolutely. Next question. Rishit, what is the capital of Gujarat?
Gandhinagar.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of West Bengal?
Kolkata.
Gemini, hold on for a minute. Let's make it somewhat interesting. Because Rishit is somewhat also interested in Tamil. So can you ask the next question in Tamil to Rishit?
நிச்சயமாக. ரிஷித், தமிழ்நாட்டின் தலைநகரம் என்ன?
Rishit, do you understood this? Oh, he hasn't understood. So let's try it out. Could you again repeat this question in English?
Oh, Rishit, What is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
Rishit, you have to answer it loudly.
Chennai.
Job, Rishit. You got it right.
So the next question, could you ask in Malayalam?
തീർച്ചയായും. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം ഇതാ. കേരളത്തിന്റെ തലസ്ഥാനം ഏതാണ്?
Thiruvananthapuram.
അനന്തപുരം.
Oh, Gemini, look like he also understood the Malayalam. Okay, so can you ask the next question in Arabic?
تأكيد. يا رشيد، ما هي عاصمة ولاية كرناتاكا؟
I think he couldn't able to get the Arabic version. So let's get back over there to English.
Problem. Rishit, what is the capital of Karnataka?
Bengaluru.
Correct. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka.
I think now it's enough of the question related to the state and the capital. I think let's get a question from the different continents. Let's start with Asia. You have to act as a quiz master. You have to ask the countries, and Rishit have to give the answer for those specific country, that what's the capital. So you can go with an easy to a hard level. So could you go with the first question, please?
Right, Rishit. Let's test your knowledge of Asian capitals. What is the capital of China?
Beijing.
Rishit, you have to be loud.
Beijing.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of South Korea?
Seoul.
Gemini, let's take another turn. Could you ask the next question in Spanish?
Rishit, ¿cuál es la capital de España?
I don't understand.
He didn't understand Spanish, so you have to get back to English then.
Problem. Rishit, what is the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
Correct. Next question. What is the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Okay, that's enough of the questions over here. So I think Gemini, you are absolutely genius. So could you give some last comment in Hindi to us?
वाह ऋषित, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया. आपकी याददाश्त और ज्ञान तो लाजवाब है. मुझे आपके साथ क्विज मास्टर बनकर बहुत मजा आया. उम्मीद है आपने भी इसे उतना ही पसंद किया होगा.
Oh yeah, so Rishit understood Hindi also, and he's also saying thank you to Gemini. So thank you, Gemini. You are really absolutely fabulous.
बात नहीं ऋषित, मुझे आपके साथ खेलकर बहुत मजा आया. आप बहुत होशियार हैं.
Thank you, Gemini. So as you could see that what we are doing is that we are playing a kind of quiz which is of interest area of an 8-year-old kid. So the quiz questions could be random, and it doesn't mean that you just need to be knowing about English. It means whatever the language that you knew about that, you could able to articulate your question in that specific way. And this model, okay, which is a multimodal, so it could able to answer your question accordingly. So either it's a kind of quiz, either it's a kind of maths activities, either it's kind of any activities which the kids would be interested. So you could able to answer, you could able to ask it in your own language, and this large language model with the proper prompting, it's going to give you the proper answer. This is one of the way how exactly you could able to be interacting, and you could be able to get the most out of it. If you would like my videos, so in that way you could give me the comment so I could make some more good videos like this. Once again, keep growing, keep using AI, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.